Say what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Tech and Time Lapse. Pretty much, I just got a DJI-osmo Mobile 3. So my daily driver for a while now has been the Zhiyun Smooth 4, and that's actually an amazing gimbal. I've had a lot of reviews on the Osmo 3. They're kind of like reverse compatible, or kind of like, should I say, really compatible? Or similar, that's a word for it. So they're quite similar in design and function. Osmo has, I think, a kind of like a better app thanks to its developments. But of course, DJI is the best in the industry pretty much when it comes to gimbals, while Zhiyun has a very innovative version of that coming from China. Reverse compatibility with other apps, the DJI lacks that, while Zhiyun has that. But I'll go into a full in-depth review later. I'm just going to unbox this baby right now and get into that. So this one comes with a mini tripod, which the bigger ones don't, or it doesn't come with a big one. Just we could get this guy off, and I'm going to be shooting a couple of videos with this one, and I'll be showing the comparison with the videos I shot earlier on in the exact same locations with the Zhiyun 4, so you can see what the difference is in stabilization and whatnot. And I'll give a review on my personal preference at the end of that. But yeah, let me get this guy cleaned up for you. So it took me a while to actually get that crazy light on off it. I don't know what I did with this generation and age, or day and age. Okay, looks like I'm going to need to battle with this boy a little bit to get it open. Oh yeah, there's a seal right on top of it, that's why. So I actually really love this flip flap they put on the edge of it. I like the the design of that. And yeah, this is actually also one of the smallest gimbals in the market. I forgot to mention that. So for its flexibility and what you use it for, it is actually one of the smallest. It is extremely flexible, it is fluid, it's foldable, it's just really, really nice. So when it comes to portability, it's actually one of the most portable gimbals in the industry right now, if not the most portable. I think that's about it. Comes with the cable. Okay, so it comes with a case, the handle, and a charging brick, which is a Type C, which is quite nice because almost everything Android now comes with Type C. So this is great. It's definitely going to be fast charging, so as a result of that. And I've got this nice DJI kit that comes with it. That's all about this. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna shoot the full review of this versus the Zhiyun 4 Osmo 4 on the next video. Ciao.